welcome to Foneka. I'm Mohammed. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Foneka. Foneka is a smart vehicle booking for University of the Gambia students. Basically, our goal is to be the operating system for transportation in the Gambia and beyond. I started Fonega as I noticed a problem in the Gambia whereby several times during the day you would have so many people standing at different locations looking for transportation. This led me to come up with Foneka, which basically means where are you in Wolof. It's where are you for the driver, it's where are you for the passenger. Because usually the driver doesn't know where demand is and the passenger doesn't know where the driver is. And this makes it incredibly difficult to have an efficient transportation system. So, not to spend too much time talking, I'll log into the platform. As soon as you go to foneka.io, you go into a sign up page or login page, and then click sign up just to show you what that looks like. And then you go to the sign up page, and then if you already need to sign up, then you can sign up, create an account, and it will redirect you straight. And then if not, you can go to the login page, and then I'll just log in here straight away. Open account. And then that's it. When you log in, it's very simple. You literally see the list of trips, like you have the outbound trips and the return trips. You literally look at the trips that are suitable for you. You could see the location here, if it's an outbound or return, the price, the time, the date, the time, how long the journey should take, and the arrival, as well as the number of seats left. And then you can literally go in and view a trip. And then once you view a trip, you can then book the trip. What you can do is you can have a pickup stop and a drop-off stop. You see all the details here as well as the list of stops. And then when you come in here, for example, let's say if I decide, okay, cool, I would like to be picked up at Gunjur and drop off at Faraba, it says the price, and then you could book straight away. And then when you book, you could see the details here of where you're coming from. Like this is the Jalaman to Faraba trip, and then it gives you the detail to send the payment via Wave. Wave is basically a system that makes it easier for people to be able to transfer money, and we use that. Not fully integrated yet, as this is a MVP. And then all I literally do on my side is after receiving the payment, I go to the admin side. So if I come in here, I would see like the list of bookings, for example. And then I could see this booking that was done by me, and then I could edit it and then literally confirm it. This is after I've received the payment via Wave. And then as soon as I confirm it, that's literally done. I got this code here. I'll copy this code. Oh, sorry, should have made it easier when developing this. And then you copy the code, and then because it's confirmed, if the user happens to be on the page anyway, straight away you could see it's already done. But what I'll do is, let's say I'll come into WhatsApp and have this user normally, I'll just send them here. I'll say, hey Lamin, this is Lamin, for example. Let's pretend Lamin is the one who just booked, and then I'll say, here's your code, and then just say, that's it, thanks for booking your trip with Foneka. Then I send this to the user, and then that's it. And then all Lamin would literally need to do is just copy this link, and then they have a confirmation code, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, and that makes it so much easier. Also, we have an admin section which you just saw here, where we show the list of vehicles, the list of drivers. You could add drivers, you could add routes, you could add stops, sorry, and then you could add routes. And then you could also have a dashboard, but this dashboard is not real data yet. Everything else here is real information. And then this is what I literally use to manage the platform. And then we also have a driver section. I'm gonna log out quickly, and then so literally you have a driver section right here, and then you could literally see the driver could see, for example, all the trips that need to be done. This is and then the people who have booked. So you could see here I've booked, which is where I said I'm coming from Gunjur, and then the driver could decide, okay, cool, onboard this user to say the user's onboarded, or he could cancel it, done. And then you could see I'm the drop off here, but the driver could also go in and see his past trips. So for example, let's say here, he could see all the users who were meant to be picked up, and then he could see all the users who were meant to be picked up at Jambanjeri, and then he could also come all the way down and see the drop-offs. This just makes it so much easier for the driver to know where to pick up users and where to drop them. I think the driver has a setup, yeah, and then he could change his email, his name, reset his password. These are all default from the Laravel platform. I also forgot to show this bit for, sorry, which is for the user. The user could see his trips, upcoming trips, and past trips. This makes it so much easier for the user if he's about to jump on, and then he could come in here when obviously this when a user goes on the home page, or even my trips, he could literally click and then see the view the confirmation, and that's it right there. He gets a look at the confirmation. But if the confirmation hasn't been confirmed, the user will come in here and he'll say view pending confirmation, and then the user could literally see they still need to send the payment via Wave. And thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. Thank you.